Maintenance of generator, cleaning of fuel oil duplex filter, cleaning of lube oil centrifugal bypass filter, lube oil auto backwash filter, replacing of alternator air filter, turbocharger air filter, dry cleaning or turbo washing of turbocharger, inspection of valve end clearance or tappet clearance, inspection of fuel pump timing, overhauling, cleaning, inspection, and pressure test of fuel oil injector, monthly generator performance test, safety device test, for quarterly, crankshaft deflection and crankcase inspection, camshaft inspection, to off-land generator sump tank lube oil for analysis, cleaning of air cooler, lube oil cooler, freshwater cooler plates and strainer, and for major overhauling, overhauling of cylinder head, piston, fuel pumps, turbocharger, and etc. Also change oil of generator sump tank, governor oil, and alternator bearing oil. That's all guys. Stay tuned for maintenance series explanation.